Good evening, everyone. Today we have come for a very poor house, and in the rainy days and in the sunny days, each and every climate, we can't come for this house because in the sunny days it is too sunny. We can't come, and in the rainy days we can't come because the road is so muddy and like those things. And this house is made by this son's father, and this family don't have any government. The government is not giving any money and those things, and this family is living by plucking tea. And this road is, when it is raining, this road is flooding also. Okay, to make this house, the bricks were taken by this son's father, and this house also made by him, and he also had now a heart attack. There are three children and two girls and one boy. This family is very poor. They can't take books, food, shoes like pencils, like school stationeries to their children because there's no money. And this family, children's shoes are broken, and they are asking some shoes, bags, and school stationeries to their children. And Miss Ramani Veeratna is helping like these people who is poor, and we are asking some help for this family to make this family a good family because this family is very poor, having children like those things don't have school stationaries. Okay, and for the these people have eaten the breakfast, for sambal and rice, and to come from the main road to this one's home, it's going 1 hour, and there are 1.5 kilometers to go from the main road and to this home. And there is a pond also. It also the water inside that is coming up, and like floods, like those things are coming not for the whole village, for this one's road. She don't have vegetables to eat. The rice also finished in this house, and she also sick, but there's no money to take medicine, and till she take a job and some work, there's no money to take some rice, vegetables to this house. Okay, in the down of this house, where there is Goraka, and these ones are collecting the things and making some food, and they are eating, and they are asking some help to maintain this. And there is no relationships with from this son's side and this one's husband's side. And she told that when she eat for the morning breakfast, don't have the dinner, and those things after eating one meal, don't have to the other meal. Then for this house is 24 years for this house. This house is made by that one's mother and the father.